Hello guys, I'm filming this video on the 1st of January 2022 and that's why I'm still in the mood of the New Year's Eve and New Year's resolution, New Year's plans and goals. So this is what the topic of this video is going to be. I am going to talk about my plans, my financial plans, investing plans. In this video I'm going to include all of my financial plans that include investing into stocks and shares, funds, investing into crypto, investing into property, and also I'm going to share some news at the end of the video which is going to be about my life and my income and also my YouTube channel. So if you want to know what I'm going to say, then please keep watching this video. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anastasia. On this channel I talk about investing and especially investing for beginners. So this video is about my investing plans and let's start straight away with my investing plans for funds. If you've been following my channel for some time, you know that I invest into funds on Vanguard. Vanguard is the platform where I invest for my pension or my long-term goals. And this is the platform where I hold my stocks and shares ISA. I still have 15,000 of my stocks and shares ISA allowance left for this year. And remember that this year, financial year, is going to finish in April. It's different from the calendar year. And that's why for this year, until April, I am really hoping to be able to use my allowance completely. So I am going to invest hopefully £15,000 more into my Vanguard account. I think I'm going to invest into Life Strategy Fund with 80% equity. This is the fund that I already hold there, and S&P 500. If S&P 500 is going to be at its peak, I am going to invest the majority into Life Strategy Fund, and if we have some little crash, then I will invest the majority into S&P 500. The reason of why I don't want to invest a lot of money into S&P 500 straight away is because it is at its peak right now, and if it doesn't fall, I think it's going to fall in the nearest future. That's why I'm a little bit cautious about it, but there are many ifs, so let's wait till the time comes and then I will look at the market condition at that moment and then I will make the decision. Okay, now let's talk about investing into individual stocks and shares and copy trading. Again, if you've been following my channel for some time, then you know that I invest into individual stocks and shares and I use copy trading feature on eToro. And I intend to continue using this website. At the moment I have about $25,000 invested there and I'm the member of the Platinum Club, and I'm really hopeful that I'll be able to reach the Platinum Plus Club this year. So now I have 25,000. By the end of the year, calendar year, I hope to have $50,000 invested into eToro. eToro has a lot of different options. It's not as easy as Vanguard. You have to actually think who you copy or which companies you invest in, and the choice is bigger than on Vanguard, which can be an advantage but also a disadvantage in some cases. So I cannot really say what exactly I'm going to do with this money on eToro. I can definitely tell you that the majority is going to go into copy trading. I still do like the website and I like the results, and it's for that reason I have an idea of increasing my investment on eToro. Okay, crypto. Crypto in 2022 is a mystery for me, and I think for everybody. Nobody knows what's going to happen. The fear that I have is that the year of 2021 was so good for crypto. I find it hard to believe that 2022 is going to be as good or even better. So I expect a bit of a crash. And when I say a bit of a crash for crypto market, it means it's going to be a big crash. So I am not really sure that Bitcoin will continue to grow. But in the long term, not in the period of 1 year, but in the period of 5 to 10 years, I do believe in crypto and I think that it is going to grow for sure. So my strategy with crypto is going to be the following. I'm going to use the dollar cost averaging strategy for the biggest coins in the crypto market, being Ethereum and Bitcoin. I already hold the majority of my assets in these two coins and I'm not going to change it because it has worked perfectly for me. So I am going to buy regularly these coins throughout the year, and then I'm going to make a conclusion at the end of the year. I hope I will still have this channel, so I'm going to share with you the results in my video at the end of the year. Regarding the sums that I am ready to invest into crypto, it is going to depend massively on the market. Right now, I am not going to buy a lot of crypto because I think the prices are high. It doesn't mean that I don't think the price can go even higher, but I think they have to fall before they go up. When this fall will happen is the good question, but what I do know is once they fall, then I will see and decide right now at that moment how much money I'm going to invest into crypto. Regarding some new crypto coins and projects, I'm also going to continue investing very little sums into new coins. I'm not going to go all in or with big sums. When I say small sums, it's about $100 to $500 per coin, and just see where it goes. With little projects, I don't mind taking the money out and try trading. So in regards to investing into crypto, my strategy will mainly depend on the market conditions and on the type of coin or project that I am going to invest in. Okay, property. So my task number one this year is to finally finalize the remortgaging process of my first investment property that I bought last year. But if you are not aware of the UK property market, I should tell you that you are allowed to remortgage the house only half a year after you bought it. This is the shortest period of time, which means that if you have enough cash just for one property, you can buy the maximum of 2 properties per year and refinance it. The problem here is that it takes ages for everything. They use COVID as an excuse for absolutely every delay. So in regards to lawyer, remortgaging process, some registration, land registry processes, everything takes ages. And that's why I am hopeful to at least be able to buy another property next year. But I'm realistic, so I don't think I'm going to have time to buy and remortgage the next property in the next year. So I'm focusing on just one goal of at least buying a good property. Another reason of why I don't think I'm going to have enough time is because I am looking for a very good deal. The first deal that I'm finalizing now and that I'm going to report to you in the nearest future, I think in the next month maybe or so, it was a very, very good deal. I'm super satisfied and I'm very happy with the way it goes. But the trick here is that you have to be very, very patient to find a deal like that. So it took me almost a year to find my first deal. That's why for my next deal, I also think it's going to take me half a year to 1 year. But it pays off, therefore I'm definitely not going to change this strategy. I'm sitting patiently, waiting for a good deal. As soon as it comes, I'm going to use the opportunity, and I want to increase my property portfolio for sure, because this was definitely the best investment I've done this year. Property, not crypto, property. Okay, and the last thing that I promised to tell you at the end of the video was something that I wanted to share with you in regards to my income. Because obviously you're gonna ask me, well, wait a second, where are you going to find the money to do all these things, to invest so much money in just 1 year? Well, I have a plan and I am going to find money from 2 main sources. First is my income, my monthly income, which I am going to build from several sources, one of them being my YouTube channel, and another source, and I'm really hopeful that it's going to work good, but you never know, is going to be me concentrating on different side hustles. I've already been doing it for several months. I've been trying different techniques and different strategies that I watched other people doing, and I will see if these so-called side hustles actually bring money, and of course tell you about my results in my videos. So if you want to know which side hustles, which by the way at the moment bring a lot of hustle, work, and how much money you can make on them, then consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, and so the next source of income is going to be the money that I'm going to get through remortgaging, and obviously renting my first buy-to-let property. For those of you who've been asking me whether I'm working somewhere full-time or not, the answer is no. YouTube is my only work. I've been concentrating my whole life on savings, so I have enough savings, but now I really want to concentrate on investing and make my money work for me. Okay, so that's basically it. The main news, I suppose, from this video is that you should expect a new playlist on my channel very soon with the results of me trying different ways of earning some passive income and trying out some of the most famous and most popular side hustles. And let me know in the comments what you think about my plan. Do you like it or not? Thank you very much for watching me tonight, and see you soon. Bye bye.